Yeah. It's beautiful.
I gotta get back to my dog. What you got to say?
That's it. Them things are beautiful. You see the shark way up there?